Yeah, hello guys. This is Drones Travels, and thank you for watching my videos. And this is the update on the motorhome. The air conditioning unit has been changed, and thank you very much for taking time to watch this video. And if you're new to my channel, please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell for future updates, and I'll see you on the next update. Bye-bye. Hello guys, this is Drones Travel. Motorhome update. As you knew that I was going to have to replace the air in it, well, part of it showed up. I didn't record it. I probably should have, because it was quite the trick to get it up there. But you look in the ceiling here now, there's a new unit sitting there. I'm waiting for the mounting kit to go in here. Then I can power this thing up. Actually, right there's the plug-in for it. So I'm waiting for the internal ducting kit, they call it. Then I can attach this down. Then we'll be all set to go with the air. My wife is making the curtains for it as we speak. We went out and we bought, she ordered this box of this foam here. We're going to put this over top of this area and use it because this table right here makes into a bed as well. So we're going to put over there just a little extra padding when you're sleeping on it. So yeah, that's a big deal there. That was $871 for that piece. Then I got another $179 piece that's supposed to be here next day or so. Probably will be here next week some point. So then I can get that in and get the air hooked up and we're ready to go. I basically got an updated version of what's already on it. It's a 13,000 BTU air conditioner, and thank goodness my GoPro's on a selfie stick. See if I can get you a shot up there without climbing up there. But you look up there on the roof, you can see it up there. It's got a Coleman. It's a Coleman Mach 3, just like what's in it, but it's a 8th or 9th generation of it. And the thing is, the thing weighs a quarter less than what the other one did. I mean, it was lifting it. You can tell the difference between the old and new. And so, yeah, it's a whole lot lighter than the original unit was in here, but it's all new. And the fun part was when I changed the units out, there was a trick to it. I got, this must be from Cubby, glass in my driveway, and he was just here. Excuse me, pick up this glass so nobody steps on it. I used this tree branch right here. I went up there in that crotch area and I put a strapper on it, and I used one of them block and tackles, and thanks Pacific Northwest Adventures, or PNA as I call him, for his suggestion. Sliding that up on the ladder wasn't the way to go, so we hoisted it up, and it went up there slick as could be. I picked the old one up, backed the motorhome up, we set it on the ground. The next one we picked up on the ground here and hoisted it up there to clear, pulled the motorhome underneath it and set it on the home, and I just motorhome just lined it up, and boom, we were done. So shout out to PNA, or Pacific Northwest Adventures, because it was his idea, and then I had a brain fart, didn't think of that. So that is the update, and we'll catch you on the next one. Bye bye.